Alright, first of all, I will create the sketch. This is a simple drawing, kind of attempting to get a general idea of the character, which, as you can see, is like a dango with a pan as a hat. Next thing I do is that I create on another layer a circle or oval, and then I reshape it. I create everything inside, the arms or hands, the mouth, and then I use the pen tool to change the curves here, as you can see. I change the mouth thickness. I move that down from 15 to 11, and then I create the eyes with regular circles. Then I create the feet, put them on top of the body, and then remove the center line that remains. And on another layer, I'm creating the pan. I'm adding some color here. And I'm selecting everything that's black. I'm gonna add 24% white, so it looks a little bit more like a pastel colors. Alright, on another layer, I'm creating a rectangle, resize it, change the colors. That's gonna be the background. I'm using a radial gradient here. You can use linear gradient. It's just to achieve some sort of lighting effects. So here I copied the rectangle. I changed to linear gradient. I changed the colors to kind of make a sky. So that's a light blue on top and even lighter blue, almost white at the bottom. On another layer, I create a circle that's 100% black, and I give it 15% of alpha, so it's transparent, and that's our shadow. And finally, I'm gonna name the character. Shmoogie. So that's his name. So Shmoogie is this little dango. He's fun and dumb, and he has a pan as a hat. So thank you for watching till the end. Thank you as well for subscribing and liking, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.